How do you deal with competition po sa business po?
Ano naman, ang competition is normal. Ang kailangan mo lang naman gawin is maintain good quality, availability, and you keep going. Yun lang po. Hindi na ho kailangan mag-isip ng iba pa. Kasi yung iba, naninira pa ng produkto, kung ano-ano, ng kalaban. Hindi ho natin iniisip yun, ni minsan. Tayo po, we just make sure better quality. New variants, improvement. Puro gano'n lang.
Opo. Kayo po lahat ng larangan ng negosyo, para hindi kayo maloloko Pati sa marketing pala, nakikialam kayo. Ano?
Oo. Yung marketing niyan is very important. Marketing and sales is very important. Yung marketing is how to project your products.
Opo.
Yung sales is you go down, choose the right local partners to represent us. Choose the right local partner to be our distributor. Choose our logistic provider. You have to understand all of that. Kung hindi, pag sinabi mo doon sa manager, pare, ikaw na bahala dyan, patay ka na. Kasi hindi niya rin alam yung detalye. Pero if you drill that with them, na pinagpe-present mo sila, nakakasama mo sila, nakakausap mo, pinag-uusapan yan, kasama mo sila namimili, after a while, nasasanay na sila, pwede mo na nang i-meet sila ng mga twice a year. Pero kung hindi mo sila sinamahan from start na paulit-ulit, hindi man nila malalaman yun